If you've ever wanted to quickly convert a video to MP4 using something you probably already have installed, VLC Media Player, this tutorial is made just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export any compatible video file to an MP4 format right inside VLC, without needing extra software or dealing with confusing settings. So let's dive right in and walk through the entire process step by step. First things first, go ahead and open up VLC Media Player on your computer. This is your starting point, and if you don't already have VLC installed, you can grab it for free online, but I'm going to assume you've got it ready and waiting on your desktop or start menu. Once VLC is open, look up at the very top menu bar. Find the Media menu, it's usually the first one, and click on it. In the dropdown, you'll see an option for Convert, Save. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+R if you're on Windows to get there even faster. This is where all the magic begins. The Open Media window will appear. Here's where you'll tell VLC which video you want to convert. Click the +Add button. Don't rush. Take a moment to browse your folders and find the file you want to export. If you want to batch convert several files, you can select more than one at this stage. This flexibility is really handy if you're cleaning up a whole bunch of older clips, say from a camera or phone that didn't shoot in MP4 format. Once your file or files are lined up, look toward the bottom right of the window and click the Convert or Save button to continue. Next, you'll land in the Convert window. Now, this is where things can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, but I'm going to demystify it for you. Pay special attention to the section labeled Profile. There's a drop-down menu here, and it's essential to pick a format that will play nicely with almost every device and app. I recommend selecting Video, H.264 plus MP3, MP4. Why this preset? H.264 is a popular video codec, and MP3 is universally supported for audio, so together they create an MP4 file that's easy to share, upload, or play anywhere, from smartphones to smart TVs. Just make sure you're not simply renaming the file. The actual conversion ensures a compatibility and avoids issues with playback. Now, we specify where and how to save the converted video. Click the Browse button next to the Destination File field. This brings up a window where you can pick any folder on your computer to store the finished MP4. Here's an important detail. Enter a file name that ends with MP4. For example, you might call it myexportedvideo.mp4. If you forget to use the .mp4 extension, VLC might save it in a way that isn't recognized as an MP4 later. Double check that part. You'll thank yourself later. Ready? Click Save. Now you're almost there. Simply click the Start button, and VLC will begin the conversion process. You'll notice a progress bar at the bottom of the main VLC window, moving as your video is being converted. This part might take a few moments, depending on the size of your video and the speed of your computer. Don't worry if it takes a little longer for bigger files. Just let VLC do its thing. When the progress bar finishes and stops moving, your new MP4 file is ready. Head to the folder you selected, and you'll see your video, freshly converted and ready to share or play anywhere. And that's it. You've just mastered exporting to MP4 in VLC Media Player. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and drop any questions you have in the comments below. I always love hearing from viewers. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy converting.